Okay, welcome back, guys. So in this video I will be taking you through the website dashboard, the WordPress dashboard rather. So all right, let's start. Okay, so this is the home page of the dashboard where you access every other thing on the WordPress. Okay, so if there is any update available, maybe you have an expired theme, expired plugins, it will show up here. You see the number here. So if you click the update, you see the list of the plugins, outdated plugins and outdated themes here. Then you can update them directly from here, or you go to the plugins, you locate the plugin and update. You go to the theme, you locate the theme and update. All right, so the next link here is the post. So this is for maybe you have a blog section in your website. So this is where you create the articles that shows up on your website. So you can just click on add new. It will ask you to type the title. You type the title: introduction to WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I can just save this, or so here you can set the visibility. This is public, that is anybody that visits the website will be able to see this. You can put it on private, all right, and you can put it on password protected. That means you have to, anybody that wants to view this will have to enter this password to be able to view the post, right? So I'll just leave it here at on public. So this is the time you want to, so you can use this to schedule your publication. You can change the date, you can change the time and other things. So when you change the date and time, it will publish at the preset date and time. So this you can change the author here if you have access to many accounts, right? So there's nothing really much here to do. So URL slug, this is what will show up in the URL here, right? So let's just so this is the title block, this is the paragraph block, right? So you can see paragraph here. So I can just copy this and paste it several times. Another paragraph block. Let me copy the whole of this paragraph. Duplicate. So we have it now, so we can update. So it will definitely show up the next time. So I've updated it so we can preview on desktop. So you can see this is how it looks like. You can leave viewers can leave comments on it. You can turn off the comments if you like. So you can turn off the comments here in the discussion. Allow comments, you just uncheck it, and that's it. Alright, so that's all we have. Let's go back. So you can see that the new post has appeared here. So if you have another article to create, you can just click on add new and create it. Alright, so by default the category is uncategorized, although you can change that. So you can create different category here. Let's see, tech. If you have, maybe this tech is a subcategory of another big category, then you can, that means you must have created the parent category first. So let's say this is the parent category, right? You write the description, and you create. So you can see this is, so if you want to create another one, let's say under tech you want to create AI, you want to create, let me use artificial intelligence. You want to write this as AI. So AI is under tech. So the tech will be the parent category. Ipsum. Yes. Ipsum is usually a dummy text that you can use to. So you can see this is showing as artificial intelligence under tech. You can see this line that precedes the text, the title. So that's how to create category. So you can come to all posts here. Come to all posts, edit, you can edit quick. Can I change category here? Okay, yeah. So this category, you can change it to tech, or if the article is really related to artificial intelligence, then you can change it to artificial intelligence. Right, so we update, then our category has changed to artificial intelligence and tech. So if anybody is looking for artificial intelligence or tech related um, posts, this will definitely show up in the list. So this is the media where you can, where you view all the pictures, the video, the PDF you upload. So this is where it shows. So you can add another one, add new. By you click add new, you select, then select whatever you want to upload, you open. So you can see that this is an HTML file, so it's possible you do that. So if you can view it, open a new tab. Okay, it's showing as image. So what you can do is if you go on to open another website, another browser rather, and you search localhost web design, then battery log, I think is the name of the file. Let me check to confirm. Okay, battery reports, web tutorial, web tutorial, then battery reports, .html. So it's showing so if you can navigate through media. Let me see. Okay, so this is the URL. Copy it and paste it here. Alright, so you can see that it's viewable. So that's it. Alright, so let me go back to our dashboard. Alright, so that's how to view any media you upload, whether it's PDF. You just copy the URL and paste it wherever you want to view it, maybe on your website, wherever you want people to see it. Then once they click on it, it will show the file. Okay, so this is page. If you want to create page, add new, create home. So status visibility, just like you set for the post, you can set this as private, password, and that's it. Alright, so this is a page, so there's no need to allow comments. Alright, so and you can publish. Okay, so you can view page. So this is it, and it has been automatically updated here at the menu section, navigation section. Okay, so let's go back. So the comment, this is where you view the comments that anyone update on your post. So you can approve, unapprove, you can delete, you can even edit their comment if you feel it as foul language. So that's it. Appearance is where you change your theme, you activate theme, you delete theme. So let's say we want to delete this theme. Just click on the theme and click on delete here. It's advisable not to keep too much theme. So this is the one we are using currently, the default theme 2022 from WordPress. You can see it's showing customized. The one that we are now using is showing activate and live preview. So before you activate, you can live preview it to see how it will look when you activate it. Okay, so this is how it shows up. Although it's showing the blog view, it's not showing as you can see, this is um, the post we made the other time, and this is the one that came with the installation pre-installed. So if you feel you like that view, you can activate. All right, so this is the editor. It's better you don't come here at all, because anything you change here. Okay, this is um, visual editor mode, right? So there's no need to actually come here. Oh, okay, this is the for the template. If you want to edit 404, right, this is it. You can write whatever you want here, or you insert image. You can insert image here. Click on this plus image. Either you upload fresh, or you pick from media, or you pull it from another website. Maybe when you browse, you saw the 404 image that you like, so you can just copy the URL from that website, insert, click on insert here and paste it. So it will definitely render on your website. But what happens is that once the URL is the URL from the parent website, from the origin website, is not available anymore, it will show broken link on your own website here. So that's the consequence of using insert from URL. So that's it. So I want to go back now. Going back to the dashboard. Okay, so we've talked about theme. Okay, theme. If you want to add another theme, maybe you don't want that, so you can upload another theme. This is showing because I'm not connected to the internet. So if I'm connected to the internet, it will show me themes that I can get from WordPress directly. So however, if I have a theme that I've downloaded already, so I can just upload it from my excuse me. So I can upload it from my computer here, and it will definitely render. So I'll just click on choose file, go to the directory, select it and open. So once it opens, this install now will show up, then you can click on it. All right, so when you click on it, then you go to activate your theme. When you click on it and it uploads successfully, it will show here, then you can activate it. All right, so this is the plugin section. This is showing you all the plugins you have. If you want to add new plugins, also you can update outdated plugins from here. it will show here that you need to update it. Just click on the link update to show to update automatically. All right, so this is also showing because I am not connected to the internet. If I'm connected to the internet, it will show plugins directly from wordpress.org. All right, so I can install it directly from there. Or if I have a plugin that I've downloaded from another website or from wordpress.org, so I can just click on upload, choose file, go to the directory, click on open, and install here. So once you install, then you can activate from here. You go to installed plugins, then it will show this activate link. And once you activate, the plugin will start working. Right, so this is the user section. You can view user from here, all the users you have. So I only have this user, the admin, that we used to create this website. So you can add new by clicking add new from. So you can see that all the interface, most of them has um, the same mode of operation. So there's always add new button at the top here that you can use. It's just for easy navigation. So there's also add new on the left side of the dashboard under the user menu. There's add new here, there's add new from here. So you can click on this add new, you enter the details you want for the user. You can generate password, and this checked will send the account information to the email you enter here. All right, so once it's generated, the person will receive notification that an account has been created. So the person will be able to log in on this website. All right, so this is for profile purpose, so you can add more information about yourself here. Profile picture, biography. You can set new password here and log out everywhere else. Maybe you've used different system, you've logged in from different location. Maybe at work you logged in on your website, you did not log out. At your friend's place, you log in on your website from there, on their system there, on their PC, and you didn't log out. So you can log out from anywhere. You can log out everywhere else apart from this current system you are using. So it will automatically log out every other session you've opened anywhere. All right, so this is the tools section. Here you check the available tools, so you can import maybe you have some articles posted on Blogger before, you want to upload it here. So you first install this Blogger plugin that will enable you to import that. You can import categories and tag too. All right, so it's that easy, although you have to be connected to the internet to do that. So you want to install import post page comments custom field categories and tags from WordPress. So if you have WordPress related um, imports that you want to do, you use this. If it's from Blogger, you are importing posts, comments, and users from Blogger blog. You install this, right? So it's as easy as that. And if you want to install from RSS feed, you can do that here. Alright, so export. Let's say you want to export all content of your website to another WordPress website. So you just download the export file to start downloading, and you can do whatever you like with it. You can save it on your drive and upload it where you want to upload it. Right, so here you have site health. This is where you can see possible things that are wrong with your WordPress. So we'll come to this later. So this is basically all you have here on the menu dashboard. So theme editor and plugin editor. If you want to edit, you know some codes and you want to edit manually. However, it's advisable you don't touch anything if you don't know what you are doing here. If you don't have any knowledge about coding, it's better to just stay off this area. Theme file editor and plugin file editor. Alright, so just stay clear of it. Settings. This is where you do general settings. So this tagline shows up on the website. You can change it as web design tutorial. This shows up on the website itself, but this site title shows up here on the tab of the browser. It shows up. So this is everything else. Membership. You want people to be able to register on this website themselves. So you can enable it. Then when they register, are they going to have access as administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber? So that it is advisable to leave it here as subscriber. So anyone you want to change their user role to administrator, you can do that manually from this user side. Okay, so writing, this is if you want to upload from somewhere, but you probably don't need this. So reading, okay, so you want your home page to be displayed, or you want your latest post to be displayed, or a static page. All right, so if you have a static page, we've created home before, so I'll just come here, select home. Right, so that will be the static page. If anyone enters the website, home is a static page they will see. But if you set the latest post as to be displayed as the home page, then you can click on this. So this is mostly useful for only blog related websites. So they usually set this to be to show up on the home page. Right, so you can select, if you select a static page, you have to select a post page. That means you create another page you call blog. Right, so you come here and select the blog page, the blog. So that's where the post will be showing. So blog pages show at most 10 posts. If you have more than 10, so at the first instance of loading the page, it will show 10 posts on the page. So at the bottom of the post, it will show next, um, so that they can navigate other posts, right? So that this is what it means. So if you change this to 20, it means that 20 posts will show up per page. That's what it means. Syndicate feed show the most recent. So it also, you can set the number of times. So this syndication feed, maybe you are you syndicate posts from external website, that's from the RSS feed. So you want to show number of items you syndicate at once. So this is it. You can change the number. So for each post in a feed, you want to you want to show the full text or the excerpt. So the full text means that it will show the full post, right? So if you've set 10 posts here, right? So it means that each of these posts will show the full post of everything, right? But if you choose excerpt, it means that it will only show maybe the title and the first paragraph of the post for the 10 posts. So the first post will show title and first paragraph, the second post title and first paragraph, then to include a read more link. So that's for the exact. Right, search engine visibility, it means that you want search engine to be able to see your website. Right, so you click on this, and maybe if you are still working on it on the website and you don't want it to show up to the whole world, you can uncheck. All right, so once you are done with your website, you can come back here and just check it. So I'll save changes. So discussion is where you edit, comment, set anything related to comment. This is where you you do that. So for the media, this is where you set sizes of images you upload, thumbnails and all that. So permalink is, so this is where you set how your URL will look like, right? So it's um, for SEO practice, best practice, it's advisable to use post name as your permalink, post name as permalink. Right, so if you have default, if you have custom structure that you want, you can click on this and then insert any of this that you want. All right, so it's not, so that is that about that. Then you can, so category base, if you have, like we created tech category. All right, so you can click on it and enter the URL of the category that you want. Okay, so but we'll talk more about this in another session. So privacy, there's nothing here, it's just for you to generate your privacy policy page. Right, so once you create it, it will show up here, and you can click on this to use the page. That means it will show up as part of your pages automatically. So that is everything you need to know about this dashboard. Right, so you can explore on your own and see different things. So when you explore, you learn more. So explore on your own, and in the next video we'll be talking about how you can design your website, how you can import themes, plugins, and design a good website. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.